Hello everyone, I welcome you to Edmonger TV. We are starting with a very special series for parents, that is ABC of parenting. And today I have a very special guest he's going to talk about happy parenting. We all know about parenting. We have been discussing about so many issues, but today we are going to start talking about, first of all, know what is parenting, and then what is the difference between parenting and happy parenting. I have a very special guest, Mr. Sunny Nagpal, with me. He is Chief Smile Officer, AHA Education, and he believes in, not to teach children, but to transform them. He has, with AHA Education, he has been transforming more than 5,000 kids till now. And now I welcome Sunny Ji with his smiling face. And you know what? He has named himself as Smiling Sunny.
Thank you so much. My life started with Dr. Kiran Bedi's nurturing. When I was the project head of her NGO, Navjyoti India Foundation. So there I got all the practical implementation of all the fundas of life with kids. And my schooling helped me become a value-based human being because we had value-based education, all-round education, taking care of physical, mental, intellectual, spiritual portion of our life. And moving on, some brain gyan is important. Know your child. क्या वो फीलिंग है या थिंकर है, कॉन्फिडेंट है या थॉटफुल है, प्लान्ड है या क्विक फिक्स है. If we can understand the child, life is beautiful. Parenting becomes happy parenting. So all these little tidbits I learned from Midna Global, where we learned brain-based principles, where we learned every child is a genius, and I operate from that. Chinmaya says, every being is potentially divine. Let us manifest, unleash the magic within. And multiple intelligence says, all of us are genius. All of us are intelligent. So that's the beauty. So with these few words, let's get into Pragati ma'am's questions. Yes, ma'am.
So, I know about parenting a little bit, being a parent coach and all, but how would you decode the myth about that parenting is tough, parenting is this, parenting is demanding? How are we going to decode this myth?
Yes, parenting is tough when the A is missing. A is for awareness. A is for acceptance. A is for appreciation. When A is missing, parenting is really tough. So are we aware of our own nature? Are we aware of our brain design? Are we aware and accepting our children? Are we appreciative? Because life is about opening the gift from nature and liking what you found. That is the step number one. Spirituality says, oh, children come through you, not for you. Children are given to you and you are trustees. Cashier does not go up and down counting the money in the bank. He knows it is not his money. Though he is counting money all day using machine and all, his BP does not go up and down. So that little spiritual detachment, that we are all in the drama of life, playing our roles. Let us be facilitators. Let us provide those cushions, safety, security, appreciative environment where they just blossom. Parenting is nurturing, and we should learn from the nature. Mother Nature is about taking care of the little tender kids till they grow stronger. And after a certain age, you let them be, like you leave the plant. After it grows stronger, with strong roots, it takes care of itself. लेकिन हमारे इंडिया में क्या होता है? We become parent for life. ऐसे कैसे नहीं मानेगा मेरी बात? So spirituality says, till the age of 5, treat your child like a king or a queen. 5 to 12, instill and install habits, discipline, the magical rules of life, success, fulfillment. And 13, the teenage years, he is of your height. Let us be friends for life. So these are the simple mantras that can make parenting easy, stress-free, and happy. Yes, Pragati ma'am.
Thank you, Sunny ji. Now I would like to know about the B of parenting.
B is finding a balance between your roles. Sometimes we are overprotecting. Sometimes we are answering for our children and they lose their inner magical confidence. They develop self-doubt. They develop guilt and shame. So let there be a balance. Balance between caring and pampering. B is to see beauty in your children. B is to count children as blessings. Then life is amazing. Life is beautiful.
Amazing, Sunny ji. So I have a question now about C of parenting, that if I control my child and if my child is able to do everything according to my wish, is that a happy parenting, or if I will become happy just by doing this?
See, when we say control, nobody likes control. And control is a very tough word, you know.
But
So
then,
let that become managed.
then parents become very happy. Now, I want to control my child not to eat junk food. So I'll be happy if my child is not eating junk food. I want to control
Let us
my
be
child for marks. So I'll be happy if my child is getting good marks. So I think parenting is more about revolving around marks and health more. I personally feel this.
I resonate with your thoughts because most of the parents get into attachment and my parent, my name, my fame. So this my becomes a problem and no child comes in, you know, control at all. So C should be replaced with connection before correction. C should become contribution. C should become commitment. As mothers, as fathers, let us commit to this beautiful project, this responsibility. I know it is thankless. I know it is rewardless. I know it is salary-less. But if we can be contributors, we raise ourselves, we grow spiritual, we evolve. Sadhguru has also said beautiful, before you learn to raise your kids, raise yourself. And child is wanting a cheerful parent. The best gift you can give to your child is a happy parent, smiling parent. Then, you know, with the smile, you can get anything done. And there's no need to control, right? So let us develop courage in our children with the beautiful environment. Yes, Pragati ji.
So now I want to know about the D of parenting, that is, what is exactly the D of parenting? I know we can go from A to Z, but I will not go from A to Z in this video. We'll just keep doing more and more on it. But right now, I would
Yes.
like to know about the D of parenting.
D is very simple. D is decoding our inner nature. D when you discover the beauty, the intelligence, the talents, the behavior traits. No two children are same. Husband and wife are not same. You and your sister, brother were not same. So when you discover the uniqueness, discover the talents by providing them opportunities. And we do genetic brain profiling, which Dr. Kiran Bedi, vouches for it. So that brain profiling decodes. Then you start designing your life. Once you explore, then life becomes an engagement to excel and enlighten, which is the E of happy parenting. You explore, you engage, you excel. But E is not about that alone. It is enthusiasm, it is energy, right? So be enthusiastic parents.
So
Emit, radiate positive energy, happy energy, smiling like Pragati. Pragati is a mom as well. A happy mom, a happy teacher trainer. Yes, Pragati, go ahead.
So I am sure after this decoding, people will understand D doesn't mean do your homework all the time or do your work. It's more than that. And now, as already Saniji has said, E is for exceptionally dealing with your children, or excellence is beyond this also. But we would still like to know more about E.
Yes, it's about excellence. It's about energy. It's about what you do. Are you walking the talk? Are you worrying? Because in the name of love, we worry. What energy are we emitting? So you emit spiritual energy. You emit positive energy. Not worry, fear. मत करना, कुछ हो जाएगा. And we emit fears also. I don't send my children to trip and all. No. Even when there was no corona, there were fearful parents who did not allow the child to blossom. And in the name of love, only in the name of love, we emit worries. My child has become late. My child got beatings. He will learn to handle. So E is much beyond explore and engage. Thank you for asking, Pragati. It made a lot of, introspection to me also. It is about happy emotions formula. So let me raise and balance and be aware of my emotions. Let me become an emotionally intelligent parent to walk the talk, to be a super example for my children. Right? So emotional. Yeah, thank you.
So to the audience, Saniji is also there on YouTube. And what's best about his videos is because as far as I have seen his videos, he uses a lot of props. I mean, he's like, he'll pick up anything from around, and he'll just tell you one thing about your own consciousness. So that is the beauty about Saniji. I would also request all the viewers to go and visit his channel. And now I have got, because I'm a very young mom, so I've got a lot of toys around. I would just like to know something about this, how this Pingu, okay, is reflecting something.
Yes. I go back to those emotions. Hug your child. We all love soft toys and we all love hugs. One hug every day will release happy hormones. One compliment a day, not just for the sake of giving, but the genuine one. When the child fails, just say, okay. Don't give any advice. Child is crying. Don't give any advice. Just give a hug to your child. Let the child open up. How is he feeling? How is she feeling? That's about our Pingu. because Pingu has lot in it. It is stuffed. Let it release. Let it speak up. And let us be listeners. And the on top of it, we are also addicted to mobile. Sometimes we fail to give them time. So it is important that we give time to our pingus. Hug them. Just be with them. No advice. And they need us the most in the so-called low moments, when they are upset, when they are worried, when they have some anxiety. Because schools don't teach us all this. There is no syllabus, there is no formula. Fear, happiness, love, there are no formulas taught. They only taught a square plus b square plus 2ab and the trigonometry sine square theta plus con square theta. So all this is taught. Degrees are attained, but somewhere we as parents become parents without training, and we come without manual. That's why we need to think, pause, celebrate childhood of our children by being there. And like all great educationists say, don't judge a fish by its ability to climb the tree. Don't judge ability of an elephant or with swimming or other things, right? So let us accept and celebrate the magic of the gift of nature in front of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Saniji, for lovely introduction of ABC of parenting. And it was amazing listening to you, and especially the Pingu part where you said that just take your children as hugsies and hug them, give them a compliment, which we generally forget. And it doesn't apply just to children, but I guess to the spouse also, that they should at least compliment once in a day. And I think no fights will be there. And we had a lovely time with you, and we're looking forward for more episodes with ABC of parenting. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Bye bye.